Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive. Make it a date with Martin Financial, aka Meta.
And Christy, aka Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on the morning drive. 103.5 Echo DSN.
Don't take it personal. Long time them a searching. Mississippi, I take it personal. Long time them a searching. Could I never working. From the day of me birthing. Who they want I'm about.
NineJockey.com.
Looking out for the inside house out. Yo, me bad, send me bad, send me bad. Yo, me bad, send me bad. Yo, me bad, send me bad. Hey, yo, me bad, send me bad. Hey, raise my baboon that you get to let him barrage. Oh, you really must be retarded. Who they want? I'm talking about the inside house. Me no want see no disregard, but you get bullet in your heart. I want me see who they want. I'm about talking about the inside house. So my me, I can say waiting happen. It says some people don't price inside in my high temple. And some my 400 side parking. Some like heavy rain parking. Make them say who I just must stay inside in my high temple. Got me bad, send me bad, send me bad.
NineJockey.com.
Send me bad.
Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Remember to check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Check it out.
That doesn't make them no price me. Make my baboon that no rise me. To everyone who wanna be me, make them know the world never easy. Remember when I used to see them in the time. When they do this, when they see me, then go like me. Long time when you said them why they not like me. Anyway, them try me, they not gonna take us lightly. You said me a bad boy born in the 90s. Never leave a class, my friend and my rifle. From the first time when them said me gun rising, them start run and start hiding. Got me bad, send me bad. Yo, me bad, send me bad. Got me bad, send me bad. Yo, me bad, send me bad.
Exclusive from NineJockey.com.
Wonder where somebody come from. Hey, me a wonder where somebody come from. Come back from 19 low land.
Yes, it is what it is. Yatago. Yes, on audio Kemba. Sometimes Egu say Kekamalon de Bundegu on a very good day. It's a place is Ndiegu from Undi Ubo. Yatago on a very good day. And it's about to go down right now. And everyone at the 103.5 FM. Birthday splash.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, I seen a F4 marker, not like it that if I written there. On a Mahasapana daddy, I want Chawama. If you Chawama or Toda Nuzubo. No, I'm all the time. If one on your nana could daddy all the time. And in such a case, on a very good day, on what has women mistake, where's a mommy, Chawama. Mommy, I said, don't worry, no, I can still get Chawama. Almost Chawama, they no. Already, you say, I won't get it. Someone let me Chawama, the pan, or blood belly fan. Or some mommy, that one from everyone, and a lake, I do know. Say, my friend, you ever met you? A lot of things to talk about. Akoko Otipoju. I know I am a Proverbs forge where say, hear my children, the instruction of a father, and give attention to no understanding, for I give you good doctrine. Do not forsake my law when I was my father's son, tender and the only one in the sight of my mother. You also taught me and said to me, let your heart retain my words, keep my commands and live. Get wisdom, get understanding, do not forget, nor turn from the words of my mouth. The word of the Most High King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Today, a beautiful day, the day the Lord made, you know, after blessing it all through the night. The day, the 23rd day of April 2024. I am a and your word will keep to. Oh, to say, I go on a very good day. So, in whatever you do, seek wisdom, seek knowledge, seek understanding. And when you get there, you know, fracas all the time. Everybody all the time. Malone and then never have understanding. It's a simple thing. And that's why Amazon.com. But before I tell you all about that, let me tell you right about now. No more one kind of metal.
Classic.
Yes, he will. I we going to talk all this. Anyway, at the time, I was just wondering, Kazi Hemelon Dog or Juela for Classic or Batana Studio Konyo Yinato. What is this? What can you millionaire you what is happening? What can no be? What can be for no melemefa? Abulzena Mapolo, Yotago, Woki Zoga Faketa, Onweki is okay, no, because of Woken Nobi, or saying what our watching go. A lot of things to talk about. Akoko Otibodi. But based on the knowledge, Kiwa Maluko said on a very good day, Yaba Koko Anabo Hip Hop and Igbo culture than Amazon.com. So when we say seek knowledge, we mean that, you know, you can get that. And if you do not know your history, get on a very good day. So check it out on a very good day. By yours faithfully, Martin Efa and Chukwe Kezie. Nki Bazwa. Nde Onko no on rampage. Ifekale. We'll talk about all of it, but right about Ketafo, it's time for us to celebrate Ndike celebrate this beautiful day, the 23rd day of April 2024. Yes, and we're going to celebrate right about now. And this is to remind you that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035 with name and number of the person you want to celebrate, and a celebration galore up in here right about Ketafo. Agwangene nwere ndị ike anyị ga-celebrate kasị n'ụtụtụ a, and onye nke izi anyị ga-celebrate bụrụ nnukwute onye ike kpali ike with his biro by ide ife na akwụkwọ. Ịghọtago ọnya bụ ihe niile anyị na-ekwu about knowledge. And today is the birthday of William Shakespeare, born April 23rd, 1564. In case you don't know who we are talking about, he is the author of, you know, Merchant of Venice, a lot of Akwụkwọ all the over time. Even now, some of the words of almost you know, the normal words are also in English language on a very good day. So today we celebrate William Shakespeare. Happy birthday! Yes, it is posthumous, but we have to celebrate greatness. So horrible. Yes, Akoko Otiboju. The next person actually celebrating no total when it comes to wrestling, sporting entertainment on a very good day. Nki Bazo herself, maybe a movie, on a back go. And we are talking about no other than the man of Onache Batambu. Igano Amado Papara. A lot of people are now season Bana John Cena, Bia, or if you're gonna go a very good day. So today is the birthday of John Cena. Over time, back to back, over time. On a couple hits as a musician, but even as a wrestler, and Akubu on a very good day. So today is his birthday. He was born April 23rd, 1977. American professional wrestler, actor, rapper, and television presenter. Always in co-presenting key bars na Oscars. Now wonders the KZD presentation of Bonka as a presenter award. Manana Muka about our both na stage. And that's okay, KZ phenomenon. But anyway, we'll celebrate him steadily. Yotago, so we say happy birthday to John Cena. Happy birthday! Yes, Odigo Kusiade Ketafo. Get involved, send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, today is the birthday of the major actor in the movie Anna Slumdog Millionaire. He goes by the name Carl Penn, American actor and civil servant, of Indian origin, born April 23rd, 1977. And happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosiade. You don't go for Pazika celebrate send the SMS or WhatsApp messages. Now that number 070-080-9666-1035. I repeat it again, 080-9666-1035. Today is also the birthday of the comedian, American stand-up comedian George Lopez, born April 23rd, 1961 in Los Angeles. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosiade, Yotago, I can celebrate and celebrated this morning, and it's time for you to get involved. I celebrate to Kogi Yotago, Kosia Fugudoko now. Ubono Fere Yotago, or for Bonototo Agodo. And right about it, no one goes to the just pass a yotago, maybe 1 or 2. Just spread the more belly yotago, man 1 or 2. Oh, we talk in the just be that canana, yotago, maybe belly push up. By the time you quit, your mom put us in Oyanato. I want me to go to the Catafo. I am Natanaja. Kai celebrating Deacon celebrated this morning, Nijagodo. And today, but the man, I'm as a Victor and a share bear Yatago, and we're getting into it. Yes, all the going out to network on a very good day. So, man, I can't check or adjust somewhere on a very good. Kitafo, I'm with a message. Say good morning to you both, metal and classic lady. Happy birthday to all the celebrants. More years ahead, many more years ahead. A lot in all our accounts. Anya Pulugo Naguleri, Akoko Otipoju, Ose let's spot the Mpianyarism before it turns to Iberiberism. Anyway, my brother. Thank you so much for celebrating the celebrants this morning.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, I told you that today is the birthday of Victor Anishabe, a Nigerian footballer born April 23rd, 1988 in Lagos. I announce again in Ototua. Happy birthday. Yes, Odgokwako Siade. Hey, today Bunuku Bossy. Today Bukwa birthday. Nuku Mado. The guy Guloya Begudaye. Say, I salute Ja. Oh, and copy a twinkle, little star. Hey, Obulo Bele Feoyana Pio Gudu. Oh, and cause a rasta time. You have to go. And we are talking about the one and only Rhymezo, the Gusto, Nigerian singer, born April 23rd, 1974. I see again, happy birthday. Yes, Odgoku Sadeketafo is unfolding. Let's celebrate you too. Today is also the birthday of Sunday in Bede, Nigerian footballer, born April 23rd, 1998 in Jos. Happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Osak Esu, a Nigerian engineer born in Kaduna, April 23rd, 1991. Happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosiade, it is unfolding. Get involved, guys, celebrate. Go to Totoa. Today is also the birthday of Robert Ajayi Buru Office. He's a Nigerian politician. April 23rd, 1949, he was born. And I say, happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Ifi Amadiume, born April 23rd, 1947. He is a Nigerian poet, anthropologist, and essayist, born in Kaduna. And I say, happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosade is unfolding Ketafo. A lot is happening, and we'll get into it right about Ketafo, because as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akoko oti pokripo yata go nke bigodo na akwa Ketafo ko si adigodo no tutu apo. Yes, akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ asabụ as a lesson on a very good day. O wee bụrụ na nke ikpeazụ a the comedian ama as AY a na-complain ya nọ na-ekwugasị ihe gbasara ya na nwunye ya na a na-aga through that divorce. Yotago based on the mgbaji aka But somehow the brother stepped out to show everybody how to handle Mbajiaka. Nobody when Mbajiaka again when so much, yeah, and you know, when Suburin or in the matter. What you want, you butcher long where you have to go Range Rover Sports to make sense. Yeah, one thing can I compress, or just your pack, you're not compress. You have to go or pack, and then line on it. And I see your Gakema Kamadam, or forget to go to Madame. They go to Range Rover if for it. Akụkọ otikpọju. Yes, the AY na flex along where afụkọ bụ moro ya nwe ya na-akpọ moro tia your nylon ị na-anya n'ime nylon ya ka desi everywhere on a very good day. Ndị mmadụ na-ajụzi ọga echem na sunu na-eme divorce ọsị mba ya ka na-akụgodolo onwe ya on a very good day. No, eme I take note yotago mgbe eji wego Range Rover on a very good day. No yesterday ka ebupụta ya bụ Range Rover ka ala ebe anọkata nwekwazie ka esi wee na-ekwu divorce a wee sị na ya ekete this Range Rover na a ga-ekenye ya madam anyị makwa mgbe egole ya yotago. Anyway, ọdụgo ka o si adị why is that situation. Everybody na fuzzy her know the model otu esi handle Mbajiaka on a very good day because go Haneze if I am at this matter.
All the comma also to where the Golo motor the Godiama when 80 fair because people were like on a try you move on from all the Bosaliana Munya is separating so because now I'm in a situation like this or hard easy. But you take it in say husband and wife, go to the where plan or if you do your family and go to the hope one on our marriage last till death. Because I so tired, they bring hand a bear expect, especially where and a guy into marriage. So and all the motors whether instead of going into depression or it try you have because of here down on a gabi because I'm an taberaco no ha maloko hell velocidade and then monke it was a web. So at least also we hold on together. So yes, all that in case of each of you game so I think I'll come out this way. And as time goes on, I am all to where the whole thing is well, but yeah, the only name only keep at least got to go to happy wife. See, I'm going to hear those or the company those
move on a very good day. Anyway, as I'm talking to you, Keta, you have to go. It didn't matter AY, and we go application letters everywhere. Only I know that for sure. You have to go because I'm going novel or anything. I'm going to just because of this 2019 Land Rover Range Rover Vogue 5.0 V8 autobiography. If you know, Obiadro the man, or the autobiography here. It is unfolding. Akụkọ otikpọju. Ịbatazie n'ụtụtụ a yotago ịgwa ka isi wefụ ya bụ ọnọdụ na ọ dịkwa na mmadụ isi otu a wee mee ya bụ efe. And as I'm talking to you, in as much as na AY na-ekwu okwu nke divorce a, o nwere ndị nọ n'ụwa a ga-anọ n'akụfa na anụ ọgụ steady. Nwere ya ekwu okwu divorce dị a. Nobody ga-ekwu okwu divorce in any matter. Na yotago the governor of Osun State. The governor of Osun State, the governor Ademola Adeleke, yeah, Uncle Davido on a very good day. Now, First Lady of Nigeria and pay a visit to the state. You have to go. I'm not kata. I all of a sudden, a battle of Kedonia First Lady in this state. Now, this state can now get it up. And a battle now. Everybody need the Macedonia Madam state. So can nke easy raw postankia as the first lady. Name only cause about the second wife. Look at another one. I can suggest tell the state if I can make the matter. Here need the men can first and second lady. You have to go for a very good day. Now say Malonian key is a booze or no, you first lady. Oh, another office of the second lady. One why can we put here like for the state.
Well, like it's really a question about now of Wayaka onward, but also it's okay. It's just that now I never expect I can coordinate the those I get to work of the first lady of Nigeria instead of Onyenka first wife didn't make it, second wife and then make ya each or Gaza made their house a kind of divided, which is a question O2.
Yes.
But how would go Omoina Banano, Hapasilla in a way, and Hagan or Cop out, I guess you were received the first lady because I want to get your first lady gathered and Konya, Meta, or Ghana side in Konya. No, I couldn't have to make it. You see, we handle the whole thing.
Man, no double portion now. Ile news on abo. On where you Jordan here. Ile bad.
Don't worry. It's true. You can say yes. Not the combo. You can host so go. You can host so. But the kids welfare now. Honestly, I'm here. They say, oh,
even just say and the first lady. Ne Japan and the second lady. No and the second lady. Na where madam post to of ma. That side. Adache. Adache. Me for that side. On a very good day. Now. Adeleka's 2 wives. Oh yeah, but on the battle between the Igbo and the Yoruba.
But even I join here together. We host so yeah. Okay, I will make sense.
And we can mother Jebuten your your first lady. A buyer stored. Only key man. You go where that and you first lady. Anyway, all the go coast Ogwadi between the 2 wives. Ngozi na Titiola. All fan abana pelo Ogwa can na on a very good day. Onwe you go nwanyi ga na no. Before God dodge ya. Ogamia. I say Ogamia no, I want to commission a road down there. You know, let me go and commission a road. Akụkọ Otipoju. Ịbata n'ụtụtụ a itila n'efe aneme n'Ọchụn steeti. Kedu ka isi fụ ya bụ efe? Kedu the suggestion ị ga-enye ndị steeti a? Afọ katu elephants na-anụ ọgụ ọkwa grass ka a na-azọkwu. Ọ dịgo ka o si adị ịbata gwazi ya ife ilo. Yes, a na-akọwalụ ndị niile na-eje achọ ọlụ driver na Lekki kịta na ị na-eje n'uche gị dị ya na ọ bụ ọkwa ọga ga-achụ gị na nwa ya nwoke na-anọ n'iru moto ga-achụ gị ya nwa ya nke obele a na-asị daddy buy shawarma for me daddy isi ice cream nwere ike ife ile na onwere onye ọ bụ n'isi onwe ya na o nwere driver mụtara ife a the hard way o bu ọga na-awụ gallop anyhow yotago junior n'ọrụ na observe ya na observe ya analu no yotago I said daddy won't you sack this driver daddy say wait I will consider junior jinwa there letter no okay there letter see my daddy and I want to sack you so prepare for the sacking because can go the letter junior the driver go eji jinwa today o say dear Mr. Solomon I'm so sorry that my daddy is going to sack you but we have no choice but to sack you no hard feelings so right it's just that you don't drive properly. You are driving crazy like a crazy man, and I and my siblings we are drive properly. You are driving crazy like a crazy man, and I and my siblings we are scared of your driving. The way you are driving our daddy. I'll say okay from 25th of April. Because Park can go the kissing a bed daddy for. Sorry, bye bye. Oh, Mr. Solomon. I'll be there. Tag the letter. Sack letter to Mr. Solomon. One no why because he when you junior. Can you junior? So come on, I am Mr. Solomon.
Well, Ghana also has to wear for also the drivers to wear driving because now most times you're going to if you motor work and driver can start driving. That's because I'm not saying now which here they are my hair but in this case now I can notice according to them how to describe where I said crazy auto drive so all this well the one happen na how me gonna teach has where yes they can but the person that can be thinking how can what their parents here observe or to has to be feed for their life now to drivers are drive so maybe the parents are must know to how they where handle the case but even with the letter had they come their parents can handle what the
yeah man but all that if letter there where says here photo post on social media no mother na museum enwe onye nke si anyway Mr. Solomon na comment and ogago you know a lot of people say na ihe na appreciate go do the good grammar the boy na-use wee na-ede ife ọ na-ede. So ọ dịkwa mma ị na-azụ ụmụaka a na-pay attention to otu esi azụ no matter leki ọsọkwa ya bụrụ okpoko ebe ọbụla sọrọ ya sisi nọ n'ụwa ya na-azụ ya bụ nwa bụrụ the words of Reverend Fada Agba ụmụ na-ekwu okwu ọ sị that you put a holistic training ya na gị nye holistic training ya gị put everything dị involved. Akụkọ otikpoju is unfolding right about kịta afọ ịbatazi egwu anyị filo n'ihe niile akụsi ahụ fold na yọtago and akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mụbata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụlefe ngwa gị maka ndị ọnkụ they are on rampage mata na-emegodu on a very good day. It's not like na onwekazi ifefa mgbe nke ikpeazụ a na ifefa na-emebụlụkwa emebụ ka ha na-eme before efugo na situation whereby some people bụ placards na-aga na school na-akụzu na-asị we are tired of seeing your ngeregwu oga. Hide your ngeregwu. Now this lecturer in particular a na-ekwu okwu ya ọ na UNN lecturer a disgrace ya publicly ụmụ akwụkwọ o wee bụ na onwe nwata akwụkwọ jide wee na-achọ ka o mee ife na-adịrọ mma wee kpọbi oku si ọga anyị nọ na window na-ese gị ọga anyị na-ese gị na window mepee door mepee this door ka anyị bata na the end ọ nwata akwụkwọ aja mepee door ka ọ zọọ onwe ya n'oge because na ọ bụrụ na abịala n'oge this man aka adọsa mmadụ ka agụ. So at the time before we treat the matter as to go into battle go si wee chọọ ije ya bụ battle on a very good day mana ka esi nweta ya bụ lecturer yọtago at the time nyanwa jikwazi nwa ya sekpula na na-ayọ biko yọtago ka ama na ga-emeli ebele na ihe ekwu asi a man said to be a lecturer at the University of Nigeria in Nsukka was allegedly cut pants down while allegedly trying to sleep with a married student. A student dịkwa married ka ọ na-achị ime ife ahụ. Now the video agago viral on social media. Now the school na-take easy up the matter ka ama ife ahụ eme ya yọtago enwego panel set suspension na ndị otu ya ihe niile nwanne m nwaanyị biko ka ihe inwe ikwu maka yọtago this particular lecturer because even ka anyị na-ekwukwa nke asef enwekwala another one yọtago nọkwa rampage onye nke a nọ n'Enugu na-eme nke ya nke ọzọ nọdụ Port Harcourt kedu ihe inwe ikwu n'ihe a ka anyị were agakwa n'iru still.
Well, if go na ya bụ ife abụrụzi ife ezolo ezo na high institution anyị now. Especially after the other one met na UNICAL. So they can the students, even on the like it directly involved. Only upon us is now here wasalo the other room people host. In this case now, of also not involved lecturer na what I can go married, and I think the lecturer to marry too. When can go married, and I think the lecturer to marry too. Where these are involved, then other students really see where maybe where yes, we go that way. Those who are get where Bluzana, if Eraka on our ever question, it now cousin, Karen, but I was with the question about the future of our nation of Bluzia Otua. That I have to say here, Jalim, I don't come sure now, all this
was not happy, serious attention to Yana, may you go, and then we follow. Or everybody can call you to her, only get me and money could go. Or plan or you have to amount to see a camera lecturer go see when no as a see no one who just get out of here. But change once. Yes, somewhere nwoke jele ka oti nwa na school. Nwa no, no cliché. Na ba jua kedu ife na je go na school kita, o si no change. Ka bọọlụ bata na school. Ọ ga na aju ego ne ka ya kwụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ ya. Asị no 1.2 million. Okay, the man si biko ka njuo na ọfụma nya ọgụsịa nke osizi ebe a debezia youth call ọkwa ya ka si aba. No just ọgụsịa batazie nursery. Wee na-ekwukwa wee na-agbagotezi eye maka akwụkwọ a na-agụ agụ asị na the school all the located na Lekki na Lagos 42 million naira school fees per annum for primary school 2 million as non-refundable registration fee n'ihi ebugodo ụzọ wegodo 2 million wee register before wee na-ekwukwa ọ bụ 2 million as non-refundable registration fee n'ihi ebugodo ụzọ wegodo 2 million wee register before wee na-ekwukwa ọ bụ ndị na-arọta ụzọ onwe onye ga-aja agha agwa ide ife o dozie trọzi ọfụma yọtago chigote maka a ga-apeli ya once ma ọ bụ na ejere ya da 2 million Now, from put na defend the ihe melofa dueti isia ego like that. You have to go go see so many things. The school drama and library spaces and 800 seat professional standard theater, a 25-meter competition pool, along with a learn to swim pool. You have to go no banana school ga motali case on a very good day. And I say an NBA standard indoor basketball stadium. You have to go outdoor and indoor football pitches. Some basketball now all up to the 45 million. Still.
Well, like it has to work over here, the child available I get you for that name yellow, a child of available, the kind of training her maybe world standard more
what was it 42 million was it? Oh, I can't because then at the matter. Why in a head the belly fan at 2 million?
We are now good super money like yes, because now all this is happening. Oh, dog, wow. What the case we are now good super money like yes, because now all this is happening. Oh, dog, wow. At the choir, mama, here in education this time around, all the quite expensive. No matter in a lion. Because now the guys will have to go to even for the lobby now to have only say no decretch yeah. Fellas wope. And I go go I can hear because no there but yet so bag ala ko o do no. So mana mo hack go here again yes na otu ha gesi we me and I dey hope na maybe o ga bukwa otu aka gesi we me ya. And I'm even other places, maybe outside the countries, some of the schools are malafaya people that's expensive. But now I say only when we can afford yeah. Then one you only can other places you educate your own children. So or maybe as time goes on, because now also get the whole thing is so expensive. Maybe family can you consider.
Because now we can brabina na kusu. Ose na ihe ani na na-ekwu na ndị amụrụ na Governor Soludo na-enye free education na Anambra. Ukwu mbembe na school. Ege ukwu mbembe na school a na. Onwe ebe nwa ya ga gita atụ tam siki ga kola one or two kita aka wana agakwa n'Edo State. Classic.
Okay. So I find whatever below and man na okay. So I find whatever below and man na in your word if so my cousin the girl the lady to email or where say I'm yaga work with the email so when I say no mom work with the email or so we download the lady with Jaya Melo say ya arrow and the opera also note Jaya if Melo say ya Roma Cornelia na call the lady with Jaya Melo say ya arrow and the opera also note Jaya if Melo say ya Roma Cornelia na call simply because ya me what me or George one no man work rare and even those all mega say the rare and even those all mega say the okay Hammond mene me yabo yes.
Anyway, the thing is anytime you know we pay on who you self matter. So we decide is not by I am wagging kete makageneze ga apụta bia my brother oh if this man no man we are calling the police ke we mal na enwe association yes how come ga ji sachiri ga ke we nwe ke batagwa ife ilo n'ihe na we bụla akụkọ ife me na Iran ebe a na-agba bọọlụ yotago kago keeper che bọọlụ na-enwe anwụle gbapụta ndị the Iranian Federation Football Federation we ji nwa ya we si abia keeper na-ekogodu mana sị na ama afọ ndị mmadụ ka a na-ahọgụ so onwe fa ọsọ ọ bụrụ Silas na the other man họgụ onwe fa gbuo ọ bụrụ otu a ka o si na-agwa ya befe na-agụsịzị na ndị họgụrụ onwe fa na field a na ha na-pay attention since no Boniface na the other man họgụ kwa the other time why you do họgụ this girl ya ka ị na anyway ịbata n'ụtụtụ a yọtago itile anyị ọnụ na ya bụ okwu nwanne m nwaanyị onwe ka isi wefụ nke a na-asọspend mmadụ maka na ọhọgụ mmadụ ya ka anyị were agakwa n'Edo steeti.
Well, in I forgot also has to wear it and also you the whole thing to wear one Hana come no world also personally wear it of question of being that now obo wire and the security no pasalo yabo he had in a ball these days also whether hugging or the other man or I think coach then enterprise my suspension and all that thing so here in our ball now only other person now they say
very careful yes
both the fans and the players know about even the security in about Gafuna handle the open up there, but so enjoy ya the game and on the
ọzọkwasị maka nna ụmụ skiti nke a na-akụzi these days o nwere ka ọ bụla ife a na-achị prevent na mmadụ họgụ mmadụ before amalie na-eme afọ etu kapụta just like that all of a sudden akụkọ otikpodo dị họg a ka one lecturer nọ na Port Harcourt na-ahọgụ one girl n'ime ọfịs ya ndị mmadụ nọ na window na-ese all of a sudden the lecturer disappear na school a na-achọ onye nke ahụ achọ kịta ka ọ dazie ụgbada area on a very good day kịta afọ as I'm talking 334
07045592210.
Let's hear from you now. Hello. Hey, my brother, nego dia jige no ngba first time no.
Good morning, sir.
Ọ dị ke ike o ji echeda boy agwugokwu ya ike o ji echeda boy agwugie aya gbada boy ya bata n'oge. Welcome, sir. Kabali Rusa. Oh. Yes. Oh, if I had nothing. I want the MD farm. Yes. Mba kịta ọ na-agụ egwu na polisi ọ nọ na polisi kịta na-akọwa ka o si adị ọ kọwasịkwa nwa obele ọba aja salut onye a bụzi ka a na-enezi anya ike agwụgwọkwa klasik o si mara ihe mere ebe a anyway let's hear from yes good yes. Amen. My sister, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's hear from you. 070344593. When was a classic now, or there just that boy in a Jabelo Youth Call, or just the needful. Yeah. Yeah, go. Tila on no kuno or just has we kick in the lichi for one and can never pass it. Tila on no kubiko. Mba ọ bago kịta aka na aba hogi ofu aka ọ na-akọwa ọfụma kịta. Yes. Enwe ndị bụ man boy on a very good day like man no dey go ogbogotego. Daalụ my brother. Daalụ anyị emezi dị needful. N'anya sị ọ ya alụ nkwa otu nsịfụ nke ịba mmiri zokwa n'anya. Daalụ.
Good morning.
Okay, gaba n'iru o.
Makana ya nwanne ebe a na-agba bọọlụ amala iwu ndị ọnọdụ obodo ba.
Yes.
Ndị ba na-egosi na kama mmezi afọ na ji ụzọ nna ka mkpụkpọrọ ọnụ mara ebe na-eje o. Ya na o rijiri afọ na ji ụzọ na atụrụ ya onye nji na-ekwu.
Anya.
Ọ na-adị m mmadụ kpacha nnọọ anya na-akpachapụ anya. Ọzọ bụrụ onye ga-esi enyi ya nwaanyị wepụ aka anụ.
Dalo, thank you so much. Let's hear from you. What do you have to say about all of this? 07, my brother. Keki, man.
That's number.
No.
I'm a celebrate with the celebrate number 7.
Yes.
Not the casino equation on a point of
Hey, man. Nego de agite go fight again. One of them. Okay. Okay.
And
okay, well, this about solution, but you have to go full lecturer kuzila back in the days. Book catch them is symbol or they you have to go. Joining us this morning, my brother Dalo. Yes, Dalo. Yes, let's hear from you right about now. What do you have to say about all of this? Hello. Oh, welcome, sir.
I'm celebrating all the celebrants.
Yes.
I'm not today for birthday Justina.
Yes.
The representing America. The American representative of restaurant. 40 million or 42 million.
42 million. Oh wow.
I don't want that out here.
I went then I million aga.
The second year another.
On a very good day. Only some things like here they can ikuzi robotics or they are around us. I be the man Lagos. Some schools they be the in Lagos already, like private schools. So gabo and akuzi maka how to build a robot. Click robot. That's it. Oh my far. So on a
lecture and sometimes gonna have their phone.
Okay.
But when I fall in whenever they are tempted, they always have a more like resist. Even if you are tempted, you are supposed to resist now.
Yes.
So I've got this and one of code, I don't think they have a code of conduct in terms of dressing in a high institution.
Yes, some schools they instill some schools they debia no to a they dress you to a routine from my ina. I am
advised to lecture that they should try to resist because sometimes these girls are tempted. They are temptation to men.
Yes.
Just like the Bible said.
Yes. Dalo, sir, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's hear from you right about hello.
Hello,
yes, welcome back, my brother. Yes,
and the 42 million naira for school in Nigeria no weather. This is the context I'm not from mobile. And sometimes
mgbe ọbụla ọ nọ n'ime skuul nke o gwute ka a na-achaji gị maka ya ọ nwegodo nke unu na-egwu na-egwukwanụ nke unu. Dalo, my brother, thank you so much for joining us maka ya n'ụtụtụ a. Hello. Hey, negodi ajidekwa again. Nnọọkwa again. Welcome, sir. Gabaniru.
So many people will put lecturers there.
Okay. Yes. Yes. You have warning. ị na-echi the warning mana anya gị ekwele pụ n'ebe ahụ isi echi the warning ọnya bụ sisi gbapụ ọsọ siri pụ ọsọ chọọ uwe my brother yes yeah hello
Hello, sir. Letter.
Welcome back, my sister.
Thank you, sir.
No.
I'm going to speak to you at Kavala.
Kabaniru O.
So, if you are about to get 42 million now, take care so I got phone at two.
Yes.
Oh, welcome. Thank you. Now, I can't say I know I had a new decision. No, you're not on Nigeria. Not that. But I believe you do that no when you get back. So, you are not going to give it to that.
Ọ bụrụ na mmiri ga-abụ the problem school a sịlụ ya n'akụkụ nkịsị amesị egwu nkịsị na chi ya para agwa agwọ ọnwụlọ daalụ. Thank you so much for joining us again this morning. 07034459334.
070455922.
Welcome, sir. My brother, oh, see what one na-agwa ya. Mba, onye na-agwa idi ife akịta kodo, ọ na-asalute kodo. Kodo na-agwa idi ife ikwu kịta, mana ama ngwa idi ife on air yọta.
42 million or 45 million.
42.
42.
Yotago on a very good day. Enjoying the free education now. Just one last call before we begin to call it a day. No. Oh.
Because I thought this one and 42 million.
Yes. Yes, funny use British curriculum. Oh, no, just self from school. Miss your
president.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Based on the thing, I know you are working based on the free education. Because we gonna wasn't my brother. Just always wait Iban and free education, my brother. Yeah. Dalo, thank you so much. Dalo, thank you so much for joining us this morning. It's about time. You have to go for us to call it a day on this particular edition of Birthday Splash Nebon at the 103.5 FM. It is stabilization moment. My name is the weekdays in the morning once it's 8:20. You have to go over the portables. So, Sam, till we meet again. Shalom.
I bring the money, I'm going to come now.
Yes, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out on Amazon.com. Hip hop and ebook culture by yours faithfully, Martin Fine Quickly. All right, you rock.
Thanks and praise for making it possible for me to see another day. Thanks and praise for taking it from better people every day. Thanks and praise. Thanks and praise.